Hey all, welcome to John's Metalworking. Today I've got the U96 U-boat for you. Pack 19, kit 73 and 74. It's more details, there we go. We've got the engine room deckhead and a lot more details there to go. I have got the other two kits as well, which I have not got. Oh yeah, I've got them here. There we go. We got a motor and we got the navigation periscope. I'll do them on a separate video. I've also got the submarine here. There we go. I have done a lot more weathering on them panels, as you can see. I'll give you a bit more of a close-up. There we go. Right, let's start there. Looking pretty cool, is it not? Looks more effective. Excellent. Mucked it up. Truly I have. Mucked it up well and good. Well, there we go. I think it looks pretty good myself. I've not done any on this other side. Well, there we go. One more time. Yeah. Get the lighting out of it. Looking pretty effective, I think. Anyway, I'll put that to one side. We have kit 73. There we go. We got the engine room deckhead. Lots of lovely fiddly bits to put in place, lots of detail, and there's some cracking detail on kit 60, kit 74. There we go. I'll show you that as we go along. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, so in this kit you will attach various components to the engine room deckhead, including hand wheels, fuse boxes, a silencer, the fuel oil tank, an air blower, and several fuel oil lines. There we go. Those are our parts. We have 73.1, the engine room deckhead. 73.2 is the frame with 3 hand wheels. Then we have a frame with 4 fuse boxes. 73.3. 73.4 is a silencer in 2 halves. And then we have 73.5, the fuel oil tank. The air blower is 73.6. And 73.7 is 2 fuel oil lines. And in 73.8 we have 3 oil fuel lines. There we go. Excellent. We need the hand wheels and the deck to start this. There we go, those are the hand wheels. They're all exactly the same, even though they say 1, 2, 3, and they go 1, 2, 3 in them positions. So I'll get these off the sprue and I'll show you exactly where we put them. There we go, that's all 3 hand wheels off the sprue. Basically go into there. How these are going to go in. I don't think we'll need any glue for these, you never know though. There we go, that one was a little bit loose. Yeah, but they do turn. Yeah, we'll pop a little bit of glue on them. There we go, you can see them at the back, so we'll just pop a little bit of glue on there. And into there, and in there. That'll hold them in place, no problem. Excellent. There we go. They look cool, do they not? These are the fuse boxes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we'll get these off the sprue. Okay, first one we need is fuse box number 4, which is this one, 7334, and it will go into them 2 holes there. Just like that. Excellent. If we put it the other way, it might even line up with those lines. No, it doesn't. It doesn't really matter then, I suppose, really. Pop that there, and then we want 73.3, which is this one. This is fairly, there we go, there's not much detail on that one at all. And then we want 73.2, which will go into there. And then, right, I'll get these glued in and show you in a sec. There we go. There's the first 3 fuse boxes. That's 4, 3 and 2 off that frame, 73.3. And 73.3.1 will go up here into there, just like that. You can see the fine detail on this. There you go. Just about excellent. I get that glued in place. There we go. That's all 4 fuse boxes in place. Excellent. Now we need the silencer. So I'll get this off the sprue and we'll put this together, and we'll put this onto the deckhead as well. I have popped some glue onto them. There we go, it's just 2 little pegs. That holds that like that. And this will go onto the back here. Let's see, get that the right way around. It will go that way into there, just like that. Again, it's just a matter of gluing this. There we go, keep it straight. Excellent. Next, we need a fuel oil tank, 73.5, and we need these 3 fuel lines of 73.8. So I'll get these off the screw and then we'll put these into place. There we go, that's the fuel oil lines. Okay, that's the fuel oil tank, 73.5, and the first one we need is F. There's 2 little holes there, and that will go there like that. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Get some glue on the back of this. The next one has got some lovely detail on it. It's got a gauge on it. Show you this little gauge. This is G. Look at that for fine detail. That is brilliant. I absolutely love it. Now G, fuel oil line, goes onto the opposite end of this tank, just in that hole there. Let's see, let's get this into place. There we go. That looks cool. So there we go, that's the aft end of the fuel tank. There we have the forward end. This fuel pipe will fit in a minute or two. Now we need 73.7, so I'll get these 2 pieces off here. So we have 2 more fuel lines to fit. First one is D of 73.7. That fits into them 2 holes just there like that, and then we can pop this onto the deckhead. So I'll get some glue onto this, just a little bit. There we go, that goes there. And then we need to put this fuel oil tank into there. But first thing we need to do is to pop E of 73.8 into here. 2 little pegs. There we go. Fits just there like that. And then we have this fuel oil line, which will go on to there like that. Excellent. So the grey one is C. Those 2 fuel lines are in place. Now we need a fuel tank, and that will go there, just like that, in that position. And it's just a matter of actually gluing that as well. We can glue that from here actually. Pop a little bit of glue there. Yeah, excellent. Give that a minute to set. And all we have left is this air blower. And this air blower, it fits into that little slot there. It will fit just like, oops, it will fit there like that. Better with some glue really. There we go. Nice 73.6, the air blower. Excellent. All that detail, all them fuel lines, 5 fuel lines, 3 hand wheels, 4 fuse boxes, and the air blower all in place. Looking pretty cool. And I love the detail on that one. There we go. Finally focused. That looks cool. So that's kit 73. Let's move on to kit 74 and get the parts out. There we go, there's kit 74. In this kit you will embellish the deckhead of the engine room with additional details of telegraph, including displays, linkages, air support lines and power lines, as well as an LED. We have 74.1 telegraph and displays, A, B, C and D. There we go. Brilliant detail. Looking cool. Then we have 74.2, which is a power line. 74.3 is a linkage venting ballast chamber 2. 74.4 is more linkage, there's 3 on there. And then we have 74.5 engine room attachments. And then 74.6 and 74.7 are 2 power lines. And then we have a cover, 74.8. Then we have air supply, 74.9. And then we have LED with cable, and it's labelled 74.10 and 74.11. First thing we need is 74.1, so I'll get all these off the sprue. Okay, that's A, B, C and D. D holds all these together. That will go onto there, and A will go on to here, like so, and C, get this the right way around, get the detail the right way around, we'll go on to that little notch just there, like so. So I'll get these glued and I'll show you in a minute. There we go, that's A, B, C and D all together. They go onto the deck head. They will go into here. Just like that. Excellent. Next we need E, G, H and I off this sprue, so I'll get these off and I'll show you in a sec. There we go, those are all 4 parts. First off we need I, which is this one, and that will go into here. That is I. That's the way, not the other way. Want it that way around. So it tends to hook itself in, just there like that. And G, which is this one, we'll go into them two. Wrong way around. There we go. That's I and G. I'll get these glued. So there we go. That's G and I. And now we want H, which will go into there, like so. And E will go into that vacant hole. So I'll get these glued and show you in a sec. There we go, there's H and there's E. Next we need the power line, 74.7. This will basically, there's a hole there for it and a hole just here for it. So that will situate itself into there and into here. Get this lined up. So that one's going there, alright. That one needs to come around here and go into that hole there. Bit fiddly, but I'll get it glued. Show you in a sec. There we go, there's that power line in place. It does glue here, and you can glue it here as well because it does connect with another power line just there. Runs along here. This one was the most difficult one to pop into place. You can't see it because of this configuration here, these displays. But that one pops in no problem. There we go, that's that power line in place. Next we have power line 74.6, and that will go into here and here. Let's try this out. That will go there and there. That's a lot easier to pop into place. The other power line, this one, would have been better off being fitted before that configuration. Remember that one? A, B, C and D on 74.1, I think it was the frame. There we go, that's the other power line just here. Next we need this air supply line 74.9 going into that air blower 73.6. So feed it that way and we glue that end into there like so. There we go, there's that air supply line in place. Next we need these 3 pieces, so we'll need this little hand wheel. Take this off the sprue, there we go. And these linkages we need number 3 off here. Be careful how you snip these off. There we go. Because this will link into there, and you need to link all these up with a hand wheel. So the hand wheel goes on there, and then 74.3 fits there just like that. So I'll get this glued and show you in a sec. There we go. That's them 2 linkages and the hand wheel. Now we're not going to use that in this stage, so we'll pop that to one side. But what we do need is linkage number 1, which is this one. Get this off the sprue, and we'll pop this on to the fuel tank, and that will go in to there, that fuel line there, like that. Yep, I'll get that glued and show you in a sec. Okay, up there is 7441, there's 7442, which is this linkage. It will go into here like that. I'll put some glue on that. There we go, keep that straight. It is flexible, so we'll get to fit that later. Excellent. That's the linkages. Okay, now we can pop the label onto the cable, and we can pop this into place. Get that right around there, like so. There we go. And linkages should have dried by now. And basically, that will go into there. Just push it in. There we go. There you can see the bulb. And then linkages here and here. All them fuel lines, air supply, hand wheels, fuse boxes, power lines. Looking cool. There we go. Suppose we could test that really. Oh no, we can't test it. It's a 3-pin plug that. We don't have anything to test it with. But there we go. That is kits 73 and 74 completed. Keep these parts safe somewhere for later in the build. Excellent stuff. So there we go, guys. There is the engine room deckhead, looking just like that. Looks pretty cool, does it not? There we go. Finally focused. Looking brilliant. Love all the detail. There we go, back in focus again. I don't know, cameras. I love how they managed to imprint all the detail on these gauges. Looks superb, absolutely brilliant. Especially that little one on that fuel tank. I think that's the aft end of the fuel tank. That is absolutely brilliant. Love it. Like I said before, we've just got these other 3 pieces that we just keep in a safe place. So there we go. So that is pack 19. What is it? Kit 73 and 74 completed. If you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'm not sure if they're still up for subscription for the United States U-boat. I know it was it's been released in America, so they're behind us, and it's already in Germany. I think they've virtually finished it in Germany. But anyway, there we go. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.